Good morning everybody. Today we will be talking about Lambert-Beer law. What is the Lambert-Beer law? Lambert-Beer law tells us about the absorbance of light by the solution. Okay, what is the Lambert-Beer law? Lambert-Beer law tells us about the absorbance of light by the solution. Okay, actually Lambert-Beer law is the combined form of Lambert law and Beer law. Okay, therefore under this topic we will discuss 3 points. First, what is the Lambert law? Second, what is the Beer law? And third, what is the combined form of Lambert-Beer law? Okay, first of all we will discuss what is the Beer law. Okay, what is the Beer law? What is the Beer's law? Beer's law. Beer's law. Okay. Suppose we have two qubits. Suppose we have two qubits. Okay, like this. We have two qubits like this. Okay, and we are supposing that both qubits are of same size. Both qubits are of same size. Suppose thickness of this qubit is L. Suppose width of this qubit is L. Width of this qubit is L, and both qubits are of same size. Therefore, width of this qubit would be also L. Okay, width of this qubit would be also L. Okay. Now, in one qubit we have kept petrol. Okay, and in another qubit we have kept diesel. Okay, if you think about petrol is less concentrated solution in comparison to diesel. Okay, petrol is less concentrated solution. Less concentrated solution. Okay, if you think about diesel is more concentrated solution. Diesel is more concentrated solution. More concentrated solution. Okay, now we are going to give light to both qubits. Okay, we are going to give light to both qubits. Okay, this is the light. Okay, we are going to give light to both qubits. This is the light. Okay, if you think about petrol will absorb less light. Petrol will absorb less light. Okay, but if you think about diesel will absorb more light. Diesel will absorb more light. Okay, therefore in another words we can say, according to this figure we can say the less concentrated solution, that is petrol, has absorbed less light, and more concentrated solution, that is diesel, has absorbed more light. Okay, therefore in other words we can say absorbance of light is proportional to the concentration of the solution. Okay, absorbance of light is proportional to the concentration of the solution. Here A is equal to absorbance of light C is equal to concentration of the solution. It is equation 1. Okay, and this equation is called Beer's law. Beer's law. Okay, then finally we can say what is the statement of Beer's law. Beer's law tells us absorbance of light is directly proportional to the concentration of the solution. Okay, it's all about Beer's law. Now we will talk about Lambert's law. Okay, let's see what is the Lambert's law. Lambert's law. Lambert's law. Okay, here we will also take two cuvettes. Okay, we are going to take two cuvettes. Okay, okay, we have taken two cuvettes here like Beer's law. Okay, but here both cuvettes are of different size and shape. Okay, here both cuvettes are of different size and shape. Okay, suppose the width of one cuvette is L. Width of one cuvette is L. Okay, and width of another cuvette is 2L. Okay, L and 2L. Okay, and in both cuvette we have kept petrol. Okay, in both cuvette we have kept petrol. Okay, suppose if you think about width of cuvette, width of cuvette is L, and the width of cuvette is also called thickness of the solution or path length. Okay, again I am repeating, width of cuvette is also called thickness of the solution or path length. Okay, then if you think about this cuvette has short path length. Short path length. Path length. Okay. Okay. But width of this cuvette is 2L. Therefore, thickness of this cuvette will be also 2L. Sorry. Width of this cuvette is 2L. Therefore, thickness of the solution would be also 2L, and path length would be also 2L. Okay, path length, here path length was L, but here path length is 2L. Therefore, this cuvette has long path length. Long path length. Path length. Okay. Now we are going to give light to both cuvettes. We are going to give light to both cuvettes. Light. Light. Okay. If you think about this petrol, petrol kept in cuvette having short path length will absorb less light. Less light. Okay, but if you think about this petrol, okay, petrol kept in cuvette having long path length will absorb more light. More light. Okay, therefore according to this figure we can say solution having short path length has absorbed less light and solution having long path length has absorbed more light. Okay, so in another words we can say absorbance is proportional to the path length L. Here A is absorbance, L is path length. Okay, and this is equation 2. This is equation 2 and this equation is called Lambert's law. Lambert's law. Okay, this equation is called Lambert's law. Okay, finally what is the statement of Lambert's law? Lambert's law tells us absorbance of light is proportional to the path length. Okay, because in this figure we have noticed solution having short path length has absorbed less light and solution having long path length has absorbed more light. Okay, it's all about Lambert's law. Now we will now we will talk about combined form of Lambert's-Beer law. Okay, we will talk about combined form of Lambert's law and Beer's law. Okay, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, therefore by combining equation 1 and 2 by combining equation 1 and 2, okay, we can write A proportional to CL. We have taken C from equation 1 and we have taken L from equation 2. Okay, in next step proportional is replaced here by is equal to. Okay, in next step proportional is replaced here by is equal to. Therefore we can write A is equal to CL and here proportional has been replaced by is equal to. Therefore we have to put one constant here. Okay, and epsilon is given, epsilon is written as constant here. Okay, and this is equation 3rd. Okay, and this equation is called Lambert-Beer law. This equation is called Lambert-Beer law. Okay, here if you think about A is equal to absorbance, okay, if you think about epsilon is equal to absorption coefficient, absorption coefficient absorption coefficient for an absorbing compound. Absorbing compound. Okay. Now if take out C is equal to concentration of the solution. Concentration of the solution. Okay, if you think about L is equal to path length. Okay, it's all about Lambert-Beer law. Okay, thank you very much.